Second, repeat. Stomatal complex. The stomatal complex mean God cells and subsidiary cells. These are the God cells and these are the subsidiary cells. God cells and subsidiary cells are combinedly called stomatal complex. The stomatal complex shows two major parts. They are God cells and subsidiary cells. The God cells are bean in shape. The God cells are bean in shape in the dicotyledons. The God cells are dumbbell shape in monocotyledons. The God cells are closed and open in movement. Closed and open in movement. With the help of these movement and close of open movement, gas is easily exchanged from the environment to the mesophil to the environment. Based on the subsidiary cells, only in dicotyledon, based on the subsidiary cells, the stomatals are classified into following types. They are anemocytic, anisocytic, diacytic, parasitic, actinocytic. Anemocytic means two guard cells are present. They are bean in shape. Around these two guard cells, more number of subsidiary cells are present. The more number of subsidiary cells are similar to the epidermal cells. We can't identify which are epidermal cells, which are subsidiary cells in this stomata. So these type of stomatas are called anemocytic stomata. Anisocytic stomata means aniso. In this stomatal complex, only 3 subsidiary cells are present. The number is constant, 3. 3 subsidiary cells are present. The 3 subsidiary cells are unequal, aniso in structure. One subsidiary cell is large in size, one subsidiary cell is medium in size, another and last one is small in size. The 3 unequal subsidiary cells are present around the God cells. This type of stomatal complex are called anisocytic stomata. And the third one is diacytic stomata. In diacytic stomata, only 2 subsidiary cells are present. The 2 subsidiary cells are arranged with anti-parallel with God cells. Anti-parallel with God cells. 2 subsidiary cells are present. The 2 subsidiary cells are present with anti-parallel of God cells, so called diacytic stomata. And fourth one is parasitic stomata. In parasitic stomata also 2 subsidiary cells are present. The 2 subsidiary cells are parallel with, they are arranged in parallel with God cells. 2 subsidiary cells parallel with God cells. They are arranged in parallel with 2 God cells called parasitic. And actinocytic stomata. Actinocytic stomata means around these 2 God cells, actino means 8. 8 subsidiary cells are present. They are arranged around the 2 God cells. These are the stomatal complex in the dicotyledons.